there, I'm Stacy with Plaid Elephant Workouts, Bar and Pilates classes. I'm going to do a short Pilates segment for you today, and all you need is a yoga block. This is a light foam block if you're not familiar. If you do not have one, you can use a pillow or you can use even a book about this size. So let's get started with some warm up on the floor, and you're going to bring your feet right into the mat, heels pressing down into your mat, and just sit nice and tall. Take some nice deep breaths in and out, letting your shoulders rise in and release it out. And again, in and out. And one more time. I want you to really feel your sits bones in and release it out. Good. Let's bring the arms right in front over your knees, and one at a time you're going to bring the arm out to the side and then back to front, and then the other side back to front, and then open, close, almost with the feeling that you have something heavy that you're trying to push back, starting to feel the muscles get a little bit more active. And 4, bring it forward, 3, and 2, and last one, bring it forward. Good. Go ahead and take your arms into a bent position right on top, and same thing, just lift and lower, keeping your straight posture here. We're still sitting up so tall on the mat. And then as you start to bring the arms down, go ahead and curve the spine. So we bring the spine into a curve and then roll it back up. Bring it down, roll it back up and down, roll it up, down, roll it up. Finding the sits bones every time you come back up. 2 more, roll it back up. Last one, and roll it back up. Hug right around your knees. Sit up a little bit taller and lift your heels. So we lift for 8, 7, 6. So we're just bringing the heels off the floor, feeling the calves waking up. 3, 2, and last one. Good. Grab your block, and you're going to go ahead and place it right in between the legs. And again, if you have a book or a pillow, that works fine as well, something small. Bring the arms right in front, and then nice and slow, we're going to start to roll back right down to your point of control where you can rise back up. So go ahead and take it back up, and then open the arm to the right and left, and then back to front. Roll it back, squeezing the block, and come back up, and then open, keeping the body facing forward as you open the arms. Bring it down, squeeze the block as you lift back up, and then open to the other side, and then roll back down, roll back up. Last one. And we're going to take it all the way down after this. So we bring it down, down with as much control as you can give. 3, 2, and 1, all the way down to the floor. Bring your feet in a little bit closer to your bottom that's on the mat. And bring your arms down by your sides, palms facing down. Now I want you to just squeeze the block. So we squeeze for 8, 7, feeling that inner thigh connection. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Bring the arms up above, and then do that squeeze one more time. So we squeeze 8, 7, 6. The feet are completely flat on the floor, not wavering at all. 3, 2, and 1. Now release that tension on the block. Lower your hands back down to the floor. And this time we're going to roll the pelvis and bring the hips right off the floor. And then lower down. All throughout all of this work, I want you to think about your breathing. And notice how when you inhale up and then exhale down, we can keep the pelvis and the abdominal area in alignment with each other. We land flat on the mat. And then go ahead and roll up. Exhale down. And roll up one more time. And exhale right back down. Good. Bring your arms out to a T position and then go ahead and lift your knees. Still have that block right there. And then just a little back and forth. We're not even bringing our knees to the floor, but just shift right and left. And 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good. Bring the legs back to center. Lift the right leg, point your toe, and then switch. Switch. Your arms are active here, pressing into your floor. And 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now tap both feet down to the floor and then lift. So we feel a little bit more work coming out of the abdominal area on this one. Tap down, lift, tap down, and lift. 3 more, and lift. 2, and last one. Raise the legs back up. Shift the legs. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Tap both feet down. 8, lift. 7, your lower back is staying in line with the mat. You're feeling this in your lower abs. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Last time, I want you to wake the legs up on this one. Really point the toes and really feel the legs working. 4, 3, especially if you have that block there. Last one. Now tap down for 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good. One more time. Now you're going to shift the legs right and left. Only the feet are moving back and forth. And 4, 3, 2, and 1. Lower all the way down to the floor. Go ahead and take that block or whatever you're using out. Bring your knees in. Take a stretch. And both of the legs up towards the ceiling. It's okay if they're not bent all the way. Grab behind on your hamstrings and pull the legs in, just nice and gentle. Roll your ankles. And then bring your feet together and grab onto the top of your shins or even as low as your ankles if it's comfortable. Use your elbows to press the hips open a little bit more. And then bring your feet all the way down to the floor. So that's it for your short workout. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm going to come up and thank you for joining. If you liked it, please give me a thumbs up or a comment, and make sure you're subscribed so you can get notified of more short workouts. Thank you so much.